What is going on, fellow viewer? This is Steampunk J here, coming at you from my humble art studio, and Merry Christmas to one and all. Wow, we had went through another year, the year 2021, whether it be good or bad, considering that the times that we are in right now. But I am just so grateful that we just survived another year, and all the good times and bad times that we look back and reflect upon. It is a wonderful time of the year to just reflect on all the things that have happened right here as we celebrate Christmas and we all prepare for the closing of the year, and we look forward to a whole new year to come. So what better way for me than just to take up whatever time that you have right here, and I thank you so much that you are dedicating your time. I have no idea how long this video is going to take, but I am just going to spill my thoughts about everything that you and I, my fellow artists or art fan or both, or all my fellow artists and art fans out there that are watching this, just to wish you, all of you, a Merry Christmas, and that everything that you have done this year has been nothing but inspiration and creativity all year round. And of course, in this video that I'm just putting out right here, as you're listening to my lovely and beautiful voice, in the background, you get to see me just do a speed draw of Mr. and Mrs. Claus. And I have started this new tradition of mine on this channel where, even though I know that I have been so inconsistent with my videos, and that is something that has just been the running theme for the past 7 years that I've been on this channel. Yes, you heard me right. 7 years that I have been on this channel. The one thing that I have never, ever missed out on was doing a Christmas special on Christmas Day, and where I just do a drawing of Mr. and Mrs. Claus together. And why did I start off that way? I don't know, but just seeing those two symbols of Christmas, just enduring through the hardships, enduring and just enjoying each other's company. I am a hopeless romantic when it comes to these things, and I believe that other than Morticia and Gomez Addams from the Addams family, I think that these two, Mr. and Mrs. Claus, are like the other greatest couple on this planet right here. And it is just, to me right here, just every year I just draw the two of them together, whether it is just enjoying each other's hugs, whether it's them enjoying hot coffee or cocoa hot chocolate together, or in the last year's video where I just drew them wearing the masks in a loving embrace, saying that even though the year 2020 has been rough, they are still going on, they are still enduring. So that is my basic theme here. So what was I gonna draw this year and of Mr. and Mrs. Claus doing? And ironically, this is something that I wanted to draw for a long time. Just the two of them having a dance. This is the year, and I'm hoping that when next year comes around, it'll be a time where it doesn't matter what you're going through. The one thing that you can do to fight off all the problems and the worries that goes on in life, just dance it out. And I can see Mr. and Mrs. Claus in this drawing that I just created, just them dancing around the lightened up Christmas tree, just enjoying each other's love and embrace right here. I'm reckon that they're doing the waltz or the tango. I don't care what dance. I just put them in right here. Just having Santa Claus and Mr. and Mrs. Claus just enjoying each other and just doing like that little lean back dance, like in a waltz or something like that. It is just one of the most beautiful things that I could just picture in my head. Just what they would do, what I would do if I was dancing with someone, you know. So this is just one of those drawings where I was kind of nervous doing, because I knew that I had to focus on the lights, I had to focus on the background, I had to focus on not only Mr. and Mrs. Claus, but you also have to focus on the backgrounds as well. So I did the mountains, the trees, like what do you call it, measuring the distance, and then you got the sky, the snow, the clouds, the moon. Everything is just playing with lights, and I just told myself that it doesn't matter like what's gonna happen here. Just draw and draw until it looks beautiful to you, the best of your ability right here. So every time I draw something, it feels like I'm drawing for the first time and that I'm afraid to make mistakes right here. But in this case, this is a very special drawing that I do just once a year. And if Mr. and Mrs. Claus are recognizable, if it looks like they're just showering you with emotion and having fun, then I believe that it is mission accomplished, job well done on my part right here. And it is just one of those things where I just had to go and just think about it really hard. What am I going to draw? How am I going to show Mr. and Mrs. Claus loving each other in a whole new way? And I believe that this is my 4th year that I have drawn Mr. and Mrs. Claus together, just dancing around, just dancing with each other around a beautiful lit Christmas tree in the background with the beautiful North Pole Mountains and the beautiful full moon in the distance right here. It is just beautiful to me. Just the basic colors make it look cartoony, because I do believe cartoon-like artworks just brings the artwork more to life. And it is just, to me, just one of the most beautiful traditions that I have been doing for a good 4th year now. And I know that it came out beautiful just by looking at this drawing alone. Just Mr. Claus and his rosy cheeks, just smiling, his beautiful Santa Claus smile, and Mrs. Claus being the most beautiful woman on planet Earth. Both of them so lucky to have found each other in these rough times right here, and may their marriage and their love for each other continue to grow strong in our hearts right here. This is just beautiful. So what do I look forward? What can I look back on this year right here? Well, I look upon another successful year. Whether you have your ups or your downs, whether you've just been inconsistent with the video uploads, or you're all just waiting for me to come up with the next art piece, this is just a victory for you and for me that we are still going strong. I'm still planning on working more videos in the future and looking forward to when this platform becomes extremely successful. And I mean extremely successful when where we are at right now with at least 200 subscribers, it is already a success. And I thank all of you for being with me on this journey. You all are fellow steampunks right here. Just whatever it may be, you may be a steampunk in cooking, you may be a steampunk in basket weaving, you may be a steampunk in painting, sculpting, raising a family. I don't care. Creativity and just nothing but pure love comes from whatever that you're doing, whatever you're passionate about. And all I can say is, like, it doesn't matter how many videos that I put out. Each video that you see has been produced with all the love and care. Even if it's a bad one, I'm just glad to say that it was in my head. I put it on canvas, or on a digital pad, mind you, and whatever came out, it came out to the best of my ability, as for each and every artist or YouTube artist has done. And I'm just so glad to just be involved in this wonderful partaking of this beautiful, beautiful thing that we have called the arts. So it doesn't matter what you do. With me, it's drawing, watching movies, watching anime, watching pro wrestling, watching hockey games. It has been a wonderful year where I get to do all of that, and even to spend some time with you, my fellow artist or art fan, and just watching this beautiful art piece come to life. What do I look forward to the new year? I look forward to another successful year. I've got so many different plans with this channel right here. I'm looking forward to when it grows some more, hopefully into where we can start having some more subscribers, more viewers. And if YouTube would just give me a chance, just put them videos out there. There's some artists out there that are giving the chance and are giving the opportunity, but not me. But you know, that's just me wishful thinking. Every success is when I manage to put a video out, and whether it gets 100 views or 2 views, it doesn't matter. I have all of you to thank for just continuing on with this journey right here. I'm still putting out my works on Instagram, on DeviantArt, on Twitter. I'm still looking to chat with those to chat with all of my fellow artists on Twitter, on anything. And it is just going to be an amazing year. The year, woo, my goodness, 2022. What a year to look forward to. What a year to just look forward to whatever future artworks you got in store. And I just can't wait. And of course, out of all the drawings, I put all like my 100% energy, even though I put 100% energy in all my drawings. This one to me, where I draw Mr. and Mrs. Claus, a time-honored tradition here on this channel, is something that I just give my 1 billion% right here to make it as good as possible. And it's just to show that, you know, whether you're with your loved ones, whether you're with your family, just go out there and just dance and celebrate that another year has come to a close. Spend some time with each other on Christmas Day or whenever you get the chance, New Year's, whether or whatever holiday comes your way, and just dance your way in expectation for another beautiful year. So another Christmas has come and gone, and another new year will come and go. But all we have to do is look forward to a bright, beautiful future that we have in the year 2022. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like the drawing that I made, then don't forget to leave a like and comment down below. And if you want to see me do more drawings in the future, then don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content and hit that notification bell to always stay notified. To all my fellow artists and art fans out there in the world, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. This is Steampunk J signing out from the year 2021. And I will see all of you next year. Take care. Love you all. Merry Christmas.